Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. Now let's see a home remedy for knee pains. So to cure your knee pains and to give your relaxation, this remedy will work very effectively and also doesn't give any side effects as this is home remedy. Yes, this is a simple tip but it's very effective in giving a result. This will effectively cure your knee pains and muscle pains and relaxes your body as well. So here for this remedy we are taking cardamom. Cardamom will help you out in clearing out with the knee pains by relaxing the muscles or the curing out with the inflammation that you have, and also this will help you out in relaxing and in giving out a clearing out with the inflammation also, and in this way this will help you out in clearing out with the knee pains. Now take a small crusher, add 3 to 4 cardamoms to it, crush it well. Crush them like this. Now take a small pan, add a glass of water and add this crushed cardamoms to it. Now let this boil for about 5 to 10 minutes on a low medium flame, cover it and boil it out. Now after boiling it for about 5 to 6 minutes, let it cool for some time and take it into a glass. Strain it and take it into a glass. Now to this add 2 drops of sesame oil. So prepare this drink and take this drink regularly. This will help you out in clearing out with the knee pains and also muscle cramps and all, and gives you the relaxation and clears the inflammation. And here the sesame oil also will help you out in clearing out with the knee pains and the clearing out the inflammations that you have. So taking this drink regularly on an everyday basis will help you out in clearing out with the knee pains.